Hello friends, my name is Reza Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic that what is project schedule. Friend, today's topic is very important and very interesting. So let's just start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's just start, friend. What is project schedule, friend? Friend, today's topic is mainly related to project management, and project schedule is a timetable that organizes project tasks, activity, durations, calendar start and end date, and sets overall project timelines on a timeline. Project schedule also defines the team members and resources needed to complete tasks. Project scheduling is fundamental for planning and control in project management. Basically, see friend, project schedule means that whenever we have to implement a project, we have to make a project schedule. Project schedule means that we identify the task, we identify the resources, and whenever we talk about schedule, so the most important thing in the schedule is the starting and ending dates of task. So why project schedule is important? Because see, we know that when we are going to start which task and when we are going to start end which task. So basically, in terms of planning, project schedule is very important. Why? Because with respect to timelines, with respect to starting date and ending date, task and resource availability, we have a clear understanding and vision that what is the schedule of those tasks. Okay, so with respect to timelines, calendar dates, we have the clear visibility about the scheduling and availability of resources and delivery of tasks. So that is why project schedule is very important whenever we are implementing projects. Now, friend, project schedules are created and tracked with project scheduling software. Nowadays, many softwares are available for project scheduling. For example, like MS Project Server, Microsoft Project Server, MS Project, Microsoft Project, Jira, and many softwares are nowadays available through which you can use for project scheduling, and you can do like task management, resource management, cost management, all those types of tasks, all those types of things can be done by using these types of software project scheduling, like MS Project and Microsoft Project Server. These are very good software and popular softwares. What should be included in the project schedule? The deliverables which we are going to deliver to the customer, the task means the drill down level task, like what we are going to implement, the task start date and end date, dependencies of task on different interdependencies of task on each other, project calendar dates, work packages, task duration and project timelines, budgets, resource availability, and schedule risk analysis. All these types of things should be included in the project schedule. Okay, here I just want to show you a very simple example of the project schedule. If you can see from here, this is I have taken it from the MS Project server, MS Project. So here you can see these are the tasks. Okay, here these are the tasks, these are the duration of the task, these are the starting date, start ending date, and the resource assigned for that particular task. This is the very simple example of Microsoft project schedule. Here it shows you the Gantt chart as well, that how the duration of task with respect to the dates above. Okay, so simply see from here, you have to mention the task, you have to mention the duration, then a starting date, ending date, and then the resources assigned to that task, so it will become a project schedule accordingly. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.